Hi everyone, welcome to today's English class. Today we are going to learn a new lesson from our term 3 textbook. So before we get started, let me ask some questions. Are you ready, children? Have you ever heard about King Solomon, children? Who was King Solomon? Do you know the answer? He was one of the wisest king who ruled the country of Israel. King Solomon was born in Israel to King David. He became the king after the death of his father. In this lesson, we are going to learn about the great wisdom of King Solomon. So actually this wisdom, which is the main boon from the God to King Solomon. He was a very successful king. There are many stories on the great wisdom of this King Solomon. So what do you think, children? What is the most important quality for a king? Yes, very good. Wisdom is one of the important and great quality for a king. So King Solomon was gifted with the precious gift, that is wisdom. So today we are going to learn a short summary of the lesson. Okay, children. So the title of the lesson is lesson 3. King Solomon the Wise. So this is a small story. So what is the title, children, here? The title of the lesson is King Solomon the Wise. King Solomon was a very wise king. Many people admire for his wisdom. Once, the Queen of Sheba wanted to test King Solomon. She brought 2 garlands which looks alike, but one is artificial, and she carried that in her left hand, and while she carried the natural, that is the real garland, which is in her right hand. Queen asked the King Solomon to find out which is the real garland, and you have to find out the real garland without touching the garland. Queen asked King Solomon to find out the real garland without touching them. So by hearing this, king thought for a while. After that, he ordered his guard to open the windows. The windows which is in his room, and outside his room there was a beautiful garden which is full of butterflies and bees. By opening the windows, after some time, some bees came into the real flowers which is in Queen's right hand, that is the garland, and it started to buzzing around the garland. By opening the windows, after some time, some bees came into, that is some bees flew into the king's room, and it started to buzz around the garland which is real and which is in the Queen's right hand. Through this, the King Solomon proved he able to prove his wisdom because he opened the windows and saw that all the bees, that is all the bees buzzed around the real garland which having natural flowers within, and they started to buzz around the original, that is real garland. So the queen realized that King Solomon was a great king. At the end of the story, the queen praised King Solomon for his great wisdom, and also he presented a lot of precious gifts to King Solomon. So this is the story. So I hope all of you understood today's short summary of this lesson, and details of the story we can discuss in our next class. So what you have to do is you have to read this lesson very carefully, okay children, so that you can understand the meaning once again, and we can meet in our next class. Thank you, children.